definitely one of the highest points in my career, captaining my country. Yeah, delighted to be able to do that again. We've had a lot of injuries and some new faces have come in, so it's a great opportunity for them to show what they can do, and obviously, yeah, I feel like one of the more experienced players now. It brings back memories, you know. Obviously, I've been in the same position as them, coming in at a young age, and being a bit nervous and being a bit anxious and things like that. So I can relate to them, but obviously it's a great opportunity for them, and we're a good bunch, and we're very welcoming. So I'm sure have felt that so far, and yeah, like I said, hopefully they can come and show what they can do. I've had a rough, tough start to the season last year, but then after Christmas, then I felt like I was getting my confidence back and playing some really good stuff. So I've continued from where I left off last year and improved in front of goal, and hopefully I can carry on doing that. And like I said, confidence is such a big thing. He's been a terrific player for Wales. He's been all over Europe with the team, and always showed full commitment to coming along, and obviously someone to look up to. And his professionalism is second to none, and hopefully that can rub off on a lot of people here. Delighted with the way things are going. I'm feeling really confident at the moment, and that's a massive thing in football. And I think my performances have shown that, and hopefully I can just continue doing what I've been doing. It was very disappointing to lose over there to them after a great performance, and we switched off for 2 of their goals and paid the price in the end. But I'm sure if we settle into the game early on and get our rhythm going, we'll get a good result at home.